am I going? No, pyjamas. Not accidentally go night clubbing. Good morning from Barcelona. So it's 11:20 here and we're here for a really special reason. Now, you'll obviously know it because you've seen the title of the video, but for those of you that haven't, I will reveal all. Tell you what, why don't we just do a quick room tour? This room is incredible. So I didn't know when we checked in that it was a 5-star hotel. It's practically like a suite. Come check it out. So we've got a huge bed here. And then we have a safe in here. Okay, cool wardrobe space as well. Ironing boards, dressing gowns, slippers, all the good stuff. Massive TV, cool little desk, which I used for doing some work last night. We've got a nice Nespresso coffee machine. Excellent mini bar. Brilliant snacks. Even glasses, and wonderful L-shaped sofa as well. Reading lights. Nice bath here. These products are absolutely incredible. They smell amazing. And we've got the shower here, and we've got a separate toilet room here, like a little cubicle. That's good. So the reason we're in Barcelona is because we're going on the incredible Virgin Voyages week-long cruise. 2:45 is the boarding, and I think we set off from Barcelona at 6. Absolutely incredible. So we're going to be sailing overnight tonight. So obviously we're in Barcelona now, and then tomorrow morning we're going to be in Toulon in France. The following day we're going to be in Marina di Carrara, which is just down the coast of northwest Italy. The following day, we're going to be in the capital of Corsica. Then we're going to Cagliari, the capital of Sardinia. We're going to go to Ibiza. Ibiza will be special because we're spending the night in the port. So we'll be in Ibiza for, I think, about 20 hours, something like that. And then back to Barcelona. So we're going to be spending a week on water. All the food is included as well. Yeah, there's about 20 restaurants on board. We're so excited. We have got a couple of hours, but right now we've got to check out. We're going to go for a walk and then it's happening. I can't wait. We've now come to see, which is just down the road, the magic fountain of Montjuïc. Take a look at this. There we go, so we've got the magic fountain, then just beyond that, here is the botanical gardens, and just up here is the National Museum. Hey guys, this is going to be our home for the next 7 days. First off, a couple of disclaimers. So I am a Virgin employee. This was gifted to me. However, it's not a review of the Virgin Voyages. We'll be presenting our experience on the Virgin Voyages, but the focus will be on primarily on the places we go to and likely the food that we eat as well. It's also not that environmentally friendly. Our bags are fully checked in. Now it's time for us to check in, so we'll see you on board. Right, what do we have here? So, first things first, here's the room. Here we go. Got ourselves a nice bed with big TV, little workstation here, wardrobe space, all the usual hotel stuff. And here, bathroom. It's like we're on a hotel, but it's definitely on a boat, you can tell, right? Nice little space here. And the bit you've been waiting for. How's it?
It's good.
That magnificent view over Barcelona. Here, like, this is our itinerary, okay, for the 7 days. This is what we're going to be doing, and then opening hours for the bars and restaurants. And then here we've got ourselves a nice little tablet. Hangover. The curtains just closed.
Yeah, but why?
Oh, let's do that again. Okay, let's get it on. How cool is that? Then when you got yourselves a little hangover, here's what we're gonna do. Lights out, get your sleep on. Alright, so here we've got nice vegan pizza. Vegan cheese, mushroom, arugula, and we've got, I think I saw walnuts somewhere, and olives. And got ourselves some ice cream for after. So got raspberry beetroot and ricotta up there, and this view. Right, we're just on the top deck. Let's explore here. This is where all the aquatic stuff is. So here we are, we've got the pool, and we've got the whirlpool here. Nice bar as well, absolutely essential. The swimming pool. It's the Sagrada Familia. You can see it there. A triple net.
Oh my god, you can do love like that.
Right, let's go on this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes!
You did it! I can't believe you did this to us.
There's a nice bar here. There we go. And then another whirlpool. Just a little shower. Overlooking the city. Wow. Incredible. This is the running track which runs around the whole boat, and it's not going to have these views for long, but look at this. Beautiful city of Barcelona. just get another free drink. Which one should I have?
Iced tea, love iced tea.
Iced tea. And we're just waiting to set off. We should have set off about half an hour ago, but look what's stopping us. It's only a storm. I mean, look at that. That's not just pollution. There's a storm on the high seas. It's 7:15 and we've still not yet set off. We're supposed to set off at 6, but there's just no sign of it at all. So I'm just going to go outside and see what's going on. Well, happy to say the rain's died off. Just waiting to go. So, how do you feel about not sleeping on dry land for a week? Not fine. Well, I can't say it's sunk in yet, but it's slowly dawning on me that pretty soon we're going to be right in the middle of the ocean. No land around. Right, let's go to dinner. Okay, so we're in the Razzle Dazzle restaurant. We had the most incredible mushroom tartare for starter and a possible burger each for the main, a vegan cheesecake to share. Then we're going to go and explore the boat a bit more, but this place is so cool. Let's have a great fun. Look at it, there's nothing out there.
Amazing.
Whoa. We're going. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you comfy? Okay, you stay here. Cheers. Everyone's gearing up for a pyjama party they've got starting in about 10 minutes time, so we best clear out very shortly. Pyjamas on and just ordered room service, 2 margaritas and some sweets for Rachel, but let's see what turns up, hey? Food was free, by the way. All the food is free. It's absolutely crazy. If we really wanted to, we could get like an absolute midnight feast right now, but you've got to have some self-control, right? Hey, room service is here already. One delivery. We have some sweets for you. Yeah. And we've got these smoky margaritas. Wow. Okay, let's try and find some ice. Okay. Hopefully we'll find some. Onto the 3rd floor now, and still can't find any ice or water. Where am I going? No, pyjamas. I accidentally go night clubbing.
Deck 11.
Okay. Have to admit defeat on my mission. Find ice. Lukewarm margaritas it is. I've got to say, I was very skeptical, but this cocktail tastes exactly like it's just been freshly made. I don't know how they do it. You have to reach into the hammock. Cheers.